Hello my friends, I'm Mike with the Fuse HVAC, and today I want to talk about some leaks that almost every house has. In fact, about 10% of the homes have leaks. Likely, if you were to take a glass of water, those can be filled in about 15 minutes with the leaks. That's about approximately $20 per day. That's only the beginning. It could go up to $600 a month, and I'm not even gonna talk how much you can waste water and money per year. Our plumbers can come out and do the test for leaks to pinpoint the exact location. We have a specific equipment that helps us to do that. We can give you a precise estimate and location of what's going on in the house, where you're losing all those money and all that water. Fuse is a HVAC, plumbing and electrical company, and during many of our HVAC installations, you have no idea how much leaks we find because lots of ductwork in the crawl spaces, and our installers, they just see lots of water is dripping. People don't know about it. They cannot see that the water is leaking unless someone actually goes and looks specifically at the pipes. As we all know, the California is in drought, so every drop of water is important. We need to preserve it, so we cannot waste it without any specific use. Many of the homes built are around 1960s, 1970s with the old plumbing, and slowly it accumulates the water under your house. We can offer full house repiping. We can also check specific leaks and the location of what's going on in those. Also, we can install the new equipment like these tankless water heaters. That would save you lots of money, including the heat pump water heaters that have very excellent rebates right now, around $3,000. And it's very popular because they take less energy. So besides actually doing, checks for the leaks, we can also save you even more money if you switch from regular water heater to heat pump or tankless. So to summarize, it's a good idea to check your water bill, see if something is abnormal, something not right. You can send us, we can review together with you and see what's going on in terms of the water, and give you an ideas how we can stop it and how you can save on your water heater to fix up any leaks and to install more efficient water equipment. Please consider subscribing to our channel so you can see more videos like this and get more knowledgeable information on how to save on energy, on water, on everything. Thank you.